Next topic is square root. Then here 4, 9, 16, 25, 169. These numbers are, which type of numbers are? These numbers are square numbers. Square numbers. Then 4. This 4 we can write 2 square and 9, 3 square, 16 we can write square of 4 and 25 square of 5 and 169 square of 10. Then 2 square means 2 multiply how many times? 2 times. Means this 2 multiply itself. And 3 square we also multiply itself. Then we get 9. 3 into 3, 9. So 3 is called square root of 9. 3 is called square root of 9. Square root of which number? Square root of 9. 9 is the square of which number? 3. 9 is the square of 3. And this 4 square means 4 multiply how many times? 2 times. 4 into 4. Then this 4 is called square root of 16. 4 is called square root of 16 and 25. 25 means 5 square. Means 25 square. Square of which number? 25 is the square of 5. Square of 5. So 5 is the square root of 25. 5 is square root of 25. 25 is square of 5. Is clear? Then 169. 169. You can write the square of 10. Then this 13 is the square root of 169 and 169 is the square of 10. Means square root means inverse operation of square. Is clear? Then here we use symbol. This square symbol. Then 169. The root of 169 is equal to which number? 30. Then root of 256 is equal to 60. Is it clear? Then square and square root. Then how to find out square root? We can use different method. One is factorization method, then division method, then is repeated subtraction method. Then next exercise 6.3. It's the first question. Exercise 6.3 first question. Question number 1. Read the question. What could be the possible ones digits of the square root of each of the following numbers? Here some numbers are given. This numbers square root of the this numbers unity place which number will come. Here 9801. This is square number. Then last class we have learned the given numbers unit place 1 or 9 will come. Square numbers unit place which number 1, and 2 and 8 will come. Square numbers unit place which number 4, 3 and 7. Then square numbers unit place which number 9, 4 and 6 square numbers unit place 6. Then 5, 0 will come, 0. Then how many even number of 0 will come. Then here look, 9,800. Sorry. Okay, 9,801. Its unit place which number? 1. Then square numbers unit place 1 will come. Square root numbers unit place which numbers? Here square root numbers unit place 1 or 9. So we can write the ones digits of the square root of could be, which number could be 1 or 9. Then second question look, 99,856. This is square number 99,856. Then which is which number is unit place? Unit place is 6. So square root numbers unit place which number? Square numbers unit place 6 will come. Square root numbers unit place 4 or 6. So we can write the ones digit of the square root of 99,856 could be, which number could be 4 or 6. Then balance, how many questions? Balance questions, you can find its answer yourself. Then next question number 2. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not a perfect square. Look here. First 153, 257, 408, 441. 4 numbers are questions are given here. First we look its unit place digits. According to unit place digits, we can find out its answer. This questions we solved already in exercise 6.1, question number 2. Then you can find its answer yourself. Then next question number 3, find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Then how to find out square root by repeated subtraction. Listen here. Then next find out root then from this 100 we have subtracted successive odd numbers. Successive odd numbers starting from 1. Here which number, square number is 100. So first we subtract 1 from the 100. Right? First step. Look first 100 minus 1. This is subtracted, repeated subtraction. Then first 100 minus, which is the first odd number 1. So this 1 subtracted from the given number. Then here which number is given? 100. So 100 minus 1 is equal to which number? 99. Then next second step, 99 minus next odd number. 1 after next odd number 3. Then 99 minus 3 is equal to 96. Then next which is step? Third step. Then 96 subtracted which number? Next odd number 5. Then we get here 91. Then fourth step, look, 91 minus which number? 5 after next odd number 7. So which number? 91 minus 7 is equal to 84. Then next step, fifth, 84 minus which number? Next odd number 9. Then 84 minus 9 is equal to which number? 75. Then next 6. 75 minus next odd number 11. So what is its answer? 75 minus 11, 64. The next which step? Seventh step. Seventh step, 64 minus next number 30. Then 64 minus 30 which number? 51. Next step 80. 51 minus next which number? 50. Look, 51 minus 50. So what is answer? 30. 36. The next step 7. Sorry, this is 80. The next 9th step. Then which number? 36 minus which number? 70. 36 minus 70 which number? 90. The next 10th step 90 minus next odd number which number? 90. That is equal to which number? 0. Then now you look here. Which step we get to 0? The step 3. So which is the root of 100? Do you understand? Say which is the which number is the root of 100? Root of 100 is equal to which? This here, tenth step we get 0. So root of 100 is 10. Is it clear? So we can write from 100 we have from 100 we have subtracted successive which type numbers odd numbers starting from the odd numbers starting from which number? Starting from 1 and obtained then obtained 0 at 10th step. Therefore root 100 is equal to 10. Do you understand the repeated subtraction? How to find out the square root? By repeated subtraction, first the given number subtracted, look, odd numbers starting from 1. Then look here, starting 100 minus 1, then next 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, last step here 19. Then in which step we get 0? Then here which step we get 0? 10th step. So therefore root 100 is equal to which number? 10. Then in 13th step we get 0. So what is its root? Square root? Square root is 30. Or 15th step we get 0. So square root is equal to which number? 50. Then this method is known as repeated subtraction. Then next one more question, you find its answer yourself. The which number are that? 169. Then 69. You subtracted starting from which number? 1. And in which step you get 0. Then you write 1 root of 169 is equal to number of steps. Then next, question number 4. Question number 4. Find the square root of the following number by prime factorization method. The next prime factorization method. First we use which method we use here? Repeated subtraction. The next prime factorization.